Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find DG residents in Heartopia if they're not at their usual area. So if you're looking for Kaching, Atara, and Annie, basically they will be at the concert if the event has started. So from 7 p.m. and up, that's when it starts in my town, but it could probably be different from yours. But basically you're just going to go to the concert venue. Kaching will be right here at the front, and Annie and Atara will be here. I don't know if they're available when they perform though. So Annie's here and Atara is here. Then the rest of the DJ residents will be at the Winter Utopia. So Vanya, Blanc, and Massimo, they're all there if you don't know where they are. I think next week though, it's going to change for it to be Bailey and Naniwa, I think. But yeah, that's pretty much where everybody is on this game if you're confused. But I think in the mornings and afternoons before 7, they will be at their normal places. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!